Wakely up the boards here for Quentin Musty. He'll go himself. Score!
What a turn and fire for Quentin Musty.
Off the boards and manages to get it to himself and then clears it rink wide for Luca Blonda. Blonda on this side for Molnar. Takes a shot. Right. He scores!
And what a sweet saucer dish of a pass that was, too, to Molnar. And all of a sudden, they're on a 3-game win streak, feeling pretty good about themselves. And their goaltender's been playing really well as well.
Quick shot. Scores! Feeds off to the far side. Quick shot, and they score on the power play. Walton again was in front of the goaltender, not able to reach back and get that one. Scores!
Well, talk about being in the right place at the right time for Kieran Walton. Standing right to the side of the net. And number 22 won't get a goal much easier than that one.
Killer hard, and here comes Barrie! Score!
Well, guess who? He's done it again. Quentin Musty finding the back of the net, and it is a 5-1 hockey game.
The center of the blue line area, back to Quentin Musty. Tip score!
Perfectly placed on a platter from Quentin Musty, elevating his game at the tail end of the season.
Many will remember his dad, Terry. Scores! Quentin Musty makes it 3.
Let's see those hats. Now the hats are flying onto the ice surface.